Welcome back to Jeff Eats. I've had a massive day at work today and I didn't want to be in the kitchen too long, so I'm going to whip up this quick, delicious, simple meal. This is my lemon honey chicken. Oh shit.
Yeah.
Sorry. You know I love trying all different ways to make chicken, and this recipe here is unreal. I love Asian flavors, the honey, the garlic, the soy sauce. You can never go wrong. Anyway, let's give it a try. Oh, so good, so simple, so easy, so delicious. Give it a shot.